Dear brothers and sisters, last night I heard the Lord say these words: Avenge could amend, forgive, and lament his own heart. After much Bible study and word study of the original Greek and Hebrew meanings of these words, I will share my interpretation of this message. We know we are not to avenge ourselves, for vengeance belongs to the Lord, and he will repay. Man's vengeance destroys, but God's vengeance amends. It amends. It restores, repairs, restrains, conquers, and overpowers. God is strong enough to fix it, whatever it is. God is stronger than Samson. He conquered Goliath. He overpowered Pharaoh. We must trust God to avenge and amend. Our job is to forgive. While we see facial expressions and countenances, we hear tones and we see actions, and we think we know what's going on, we do not truly know others' hearts. We do not see intentions. Only God can see a person's heart. Rather than judge another person's heart, each one should lament their own heart. God bless you, brothers and sisters. Amen.